5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now today, I'm not actually going to be in the video as much as I usually am.
My disappointment is immeasurable and my day is ruined.
The reason why I'm not going to be in the video is this video is going to be presented by somebody else. Let me introduce somebody.
This person is called Manith, and he's one of my good friends.
He's my friend! Oh, friend!
We're both from the same secondary school, and we're currently both studying MBBS at Imperial College. Now, why is he in this video? Well, he's taking us on an accommodation tour. Manith's currently staying at South Kensington in a place called Wilkinson Hall, located in sort of the central London campus. Now, this is a really good campus. It's very close to pretty much everything you need, and also it means that you can pretty much wake up about a minute before a lecture at 9 o'clock. So, you know, you get your beauty sleep. Now, Manith's done some filming, and he's also done some editing and some sort of cool things that basically taken him quite a bit of time. So he's basically going to be taking us through his accommodation and pretty much everything to do with where he's staying at the moment, and hopefully it'll give you a little bit of insight into that campus.
And yeah, that's going to be everything from me today. Before I go, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the like button, and yeah, that's all from me. I'll see you in the next video. Let's sign into Manith.
Hey guys, so this is the entrance to the Imperial campus on Exhibition Road, and the halls of residences are just up there, so I'll take you there. So that's the business school, and just down here is the entrance to Princess Gardens, and this is where the halls of residences are. So this is south side, this row of buildings over there, and I live in Wilkinson Hall at east side, which is just across Princess Gardens. So I'll just walk over there right now and I'll show you guys when I get there. So this is Princess Gardens, this is south side over there, and there is rows of buildings at east side, and I live at Wilkinson, which is just over there at the end of Princess Gardens, so I'll just walk over there.
5 hours later.
Okay, hey guys, so this is Wilkinson Hall, which is my hall. That's the rest of east side, and that's outside over there. So you need your college ID card to get in. So you just tap it at like the card scanner thing over there. So just, and the door opens. So just to the right, this is where the common room is meant to be, and I think you have like a pool table. Let's see if I can kind of like get in there. It's locked, but this is like, you can kind of see it. You have like sofas, pool table, you have like a TV and everything. And yeah, I'll take you to the basement first to show you guys what the laundry room looks like. So yeah, just over here. This door is not working right now, but normally you tap your card to get in. But yeah, the laundry room's just on the basement, so we'll just go down there. Okay, so in Wilkinson, you just kind of turn to the left at the lift and go down this corridor, and the laundry room's right over here. And you need your card to tap in again. If you try to go to the laundry room without tapping in your card, I think like an alarm goes off or something. But yeah, this is the laundry room. There are 4 washing machines. As you can see, 2 are in use, 2 are empty. It's a Monday afternoon right now, so it's kind of empty. You normally always have like a free washer and dryer, unless you do your laundry on the weekend, because then it's kind of busy. Like if you do it on a Saturday, Sunday, that's usually when they're busy. But yeah, these are the washers. You have 2 ironing boards over here if you want. Also, if you need to vacuum your room, you have to come down to the basement and get your vacuum cleaners, and these are the 4 dryers. So price wise, these are circuit laundry, which is okay. You basically have 3 different prices for washing. So for one wash cycle it's $2.30 for eco wash, $2.80 for a super wash, and if your clothes are really dirty, $3.30. But the drying is a lot cheaper. So drying is about $1.30 overall. And they're quite a decent size. You can get quite a big load in there. So yeah, that's quite good. So I'll just take you guys up to my room. I live on the 5th floor, so I'll just take you guys up there and I'll take you to my kitchen. Okay guys, so this is my room. You have to tap your ID card to get in. This is my university ID card. We don't have a separate ID card, we just use the one that university gave us. And yeah, this is kind of the main entrance to my room. This is the toilet over here. It's kind of a basic toilet, has everything you need. The toilet, you have the sink, you have the shower. There's quite a bit of space in the shower, it's not too big, and you have a cupboard there for anything you need. But yeah, that's kind of it. You have a mirror, and yeah, that's kind of the toilet, I guess. Then just over here, you have a closet with a mirror, and you have a cupboard at the bottom, which you can use to, you can lock the cupboard if you want to, so you can use, like you can put your passport, if you have any money, you can keep it in there. And the bed is just over here. It's quite long, it's about 2 meters long, I think, so if you're tall you don't have to worry about it that much. You have some more space over there, and you have a bedside table. The fan comes with the room, so it's quite nice in summer when it gets hot. And these are the windows, and this is the view of Princeton's Gardens from my room. Let me see if I can open up the window and show you guys. So it's a pretty nice view because we're on the 5th floor, so you can kind of see everything. You can see Queen's Tower over there again. But yeah, you have more cupboard space over there, and this is your desk. And that's kind of it for the room tour, I guess. Okay, so hey guys, that was kind of it for my room tour. I guess I'll just talk about the pros and cons of my accommodation. So I guess the pros of the accommodation is, for me, where I'm on a really small floor, which I kind of like because I'm really close with all my flatmates. It's kind of nice that it's just the 5 of us and we get along really well. No one like steals anyone's food or anything like that because there are only 5 of us. So if someone did steal someone's like pot pan or something, like it wouldn't be that hard to figure out who did it.
Elementary, my dear Watson.
It's in a really nice location, so it's just if obviously due to COVID we don't really have in-person stuff, but if we were to have like in-person lectures, it's like so I study medicine, so it's about a 2-minute walk to the medical building. It's really not that far, like a 2-3 minute walk to the medicine building. So if you want to just like wake up, quickly change into like some jeans and a hoodie, and you can just like walk 2 minutes to your lectures or whatever. And the Imperial campus is like just like less, you can probably get to anyone on the Imperial campus in like less than 5 minutes, I'm pretty sure. So it's not that bad. It's in a safe area, so it's in South Kensington, which is like a really safe part of London. You don't really get that much going on.
I'm in the ghetto.
It's safe to walk around at night because everything's like well lit. Hyde Park is like a 3-minute walk away from here, so it's kind of nice to stroll down there when the weather's nice. So there's the pros of the accommodation, I'm pretty sure. So obviously one of the biggest cons, I guess, is that it is expensive. So I'm in a single ensuite, and I think the price is around $260 a week, and it's around £9,000 for the whole year.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Somewhere around that, if I'm not mistaken. So it can be quite pricey. Another one of the cons is because I think this is only a South Kensington accommodation thing, but another one of the cons is that they have, if you don't wash your dishes or your pots or your pans in the morning when the cleaners come, they'll move it to like this bin place, and every Friday morning they'll like empty the bin if you haven't taken your stuff out. So if you didn't wash some pots on Wednesday night, the cleaners will move it to the bin on Thursday morning, and if you haven't taken it out of the bin by like Thursday night, on Friday morning they'll come and like throw your pots and pans away. So I've never lost anything, but I know some flatmates that have lost their pots and pans. They've lost their pots and pans because of that. But yeah, I think that's about it. Thanks for watching the video, guys.
Cool, so hopefully that was a helpful video, and that should give you more of an idea about South Kensington and the accommodation there. Now obviously it's pricey, but it's also an amazing place to stay in, as Manet said. There are so many benefits to staying in a place which is close to campus, which is also in the centre of pretty much the entire of South Kensington. So there are a lot of things that you should take into consideration. Now, if you want any more information, I'll leave the link to the Imperial Accommodation link below, and you can go on that and check that out. That's probably got a lot more details, and again, you can contact Imperial as well. I'll leave their contact details in the description below, so you guys can check that out and maybe ask them about any other questions. But yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Please do send some love to Manet. His Instagram is in the description, and please do go and follow him. He releases some great content on there. So yeah, in the comments also, please do show him some love, because this is pretty much all him, this video. So yeah, please do go and show him some appreciation. It's taken a lot of work, obviously. And that's all from me, really. I've got nothing else to say. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next video. See you in a bit.